Welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to extract text from a JPEG image with AI OCR Pro and convert an image to text easily in 2026. See, I have a book page. I want to extract the text. How do I do that? Open Offline OCR Scanner Pro. Choose your image to extract text. Click Recognize Text. It takes a few minutes to recognize the text. See, Recognize Text successfully. Save your text. That's it. Enjoy! I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching.